Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Bulkhead is probably one of the most anticipated and robust additions to any collector's shelf, bringing a formidable presence and a nostalgic design that perfectly captures the essence of this fan-favorite character, making it a standout piece whether you're a long-time enthusiast or just starting your journey into the world of transforming robots. Number 5. LIFEGARD Aquatics 1-inch double-threaded bulkhead kit. Tired of unexpected leaks? This kit helps prevent hidden cracks when you fill your aquarium. It ensures a secure and watertight connection every time. Crafted from only the most durable materials, this heavy-duty bulkhead is molded with impact-resistant PVC. It's built to last and withstand the demands of your aquatic environment. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for proper plumbing attachment. It includes a jet black bulkhead fitting, a reliable gasket, and a secure lock nut. Its sleek jet black design ensures your plumbing blends perfectly with acrylic tank backgrounds. This means you can maintain the beautiful aesthetics of your aquarium without any distractions. From a trusted name in aquaculture, this product reflects LIFEGARD Aquatics' commitment to quality. They are your go-to resource for all aquatic needs, from pumps to lighting. What we like. This kit offers a double-threaded design for secure, leak-free connections. Its high-impact PVC construction ensures extreme durability in aquatic environments. If you are looking for a robust, long-lasting, and aesthetically pleasing solution for your aquarium plumbing, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points can be extracted for Rec N Rule Bulkhead. Number 4. Rule-35A Marine Rule-A-Matic Switch. This innovative switch ensures your bilge pump activates automatically when water levels rise. It prevents the need for constant manual checks, safeguarding your vessel from unexpected water accumulation. Constructed with marine-grade materials, it is mercury-free and features corrosion-resistant components. Its robust housing and high-quality wiring guarantee long-lasting performance even in harsh conditions. Designed for straightforward setup, it integrates seamlessly into your boat's bilge system. With simple wiring and clear instructions, installation is quick and convenient for anyone. Engineered for ultimate reliability, this float switch activates your bilge pump precisely when needed. It ensures smooth operation whether you're docked or out on the open water. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your boat is protected against water accumulation. It offers a durable, reliable, and easy-to-install solution for automatic bilge control. What we like. This switch provides reliable automatic activation for your bilge pump, eliminating manual checks. It boasts durable, marine-grade construction, built to withstand harsh conditions. If you need a dependable, hands-free solution to prevent water accumulation in your vessel, this switch is ideal. What people say. No reviews were found in the provided source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were found in the provided source JSON to extract points from. Number 3. Outus 3-4-inch PVC bulkhead fitting. Introducing the Outus 3-4-inch PVC bulkhead fitting. These fittings are perfect for connecting various water containers like rain barrels, aquariums, and water tanks. Its unique reverse-threaded locking nut ensures a tight fit. A 4 mm thick silicone seal gasket contours perfectly, preventing any leaks. Measuring 3-4-inch and made from durable gray PVC, it's built to last. This fitting is universally compatible with most rain barrels, water tanks, ponds, and aquariums. Crafted from high-quality PVC, it resists fading, cracking, and peeling. This ensures a longer lifespan compared to standard plastic alternatives. Installation is quick and straightforward, a true one-and-done process. Its front-end threading makes it suitable for both commercial and industrial applications. Each package contains 2 of these essential PVC bulkhead fittings. This provides ample supply for your projects or to share with others. What we like. This package includes 2 fittings, offering great value and convenience for multiple projects. Each fitting features a 4 mm thick silicone gasket for a superior, leak-proof seal. If you need multiple durable fittings with excellent sealing capabilities for various water containers, this set is perfect. What people say. Number 2. PVC double-threaded bulkhead water tank connector, 4 pieces. You'll receive a practical 4-piece set of these threaded bulkheads. They are designed to bring convenience to your daily life, perfect for various water systems. These fittings feature a 3/4-inch male and 1/2-inch female thread. This makes them compatible with most standard items, but always double-check your specific size requirements. Crafted from high-quality PVC material, it resists fading, cracking, and peeling. This ensures long-lasting durability and a reliable performance for years to come. Installation is straightforward. Simply drill a 25 to 26 mm hole, then easily assemble it with your hose adapter. It's designed for quick and hassle-free setup. This versatile tool contours perfectly to round barrels, helping you maintain fresh rainwater season after season. Its robust design makes it suitable for both commercial and industrial applications. What we like. This product comes in a convenient 4-piece pack, providing ample supply for larger projects or spares. Its double-threaded design ensures versatile connections for various pipe sizes. If you have multiple rain barrels or tanks and need a cost-effective, durable solution for connecting them, this pack is a great option. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. The source JSON was empty, making it impossible to quote original content for review points. Number 1. Transformers Legacy Prime Universe Bulkhead. This 7-inch robot toy draws its inspiration from the beloved animated series, Transformers, Prime. It has been updated with a modern generation-style design, bringing a fresh look to a classic character. Experience the collision of universes with the Legacy line. This epic collection unites fan-favorite characters from across the vast Transformers multiverse, creating new adventures. It transforms from a powerful robot into a rugged army van in just 30 steps. This figure also includes a mace hand attachment and a shield accessory for dynamic play. Gear up with Cybertron's most powerful substance, Energon. This figure comes equipped with an Energon Gatling blaster that can attach in both its robot and vehicle modes. Scan the QR code on the package to reveal its character tech specs from across the multiverse. Collect other Legacy figures to discover even more about them. What we like. This action figure features a design inspired by the Transformers, Prime series, updated for modern collectors. It converts between robot and army van modes in 30 steps, offering engaging play. If you are a fan of the Prime universe and enjoy figures with intricate transformations and cool accessories, this one is a must-have. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.